Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail sync issues on Android in 2026. So if your emails are not updating, not sending, or stuck in sync, this guide will help you fix everything step by step. First, make sure your Android phone has a stable internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile data can easily stop email syncing. Next, open the Outlook app settings and make sure sync is enabled for your Hotmail account. So if sync is turned off, emails won't update automatically. Now go to your phone settings and clear the cache for the Outlook app. Corrupted cache data can often cause syncing problems. If syncing still fails, log out and sign back into your Hotmail account. This refreshes the connection with Microsoft servers. So check for updates in the Play Store in your Android system. Outdated apps or system bugs can cause sync issues. If nothing works, remove the Hotmail account from Outlook and add it again. This often fixes broken sync configurations. And that's how to fix Hotmail sync issues on Android in 2026. Once your app settings, cache, and account connection are refreshed, your emails should sync normally again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook troubleshooting tutorials. Hey everyone!